Thank you, Zaka. Ladies and gentlemen, does anybody here not know who she is? How does that feel? Lady Singham. You take the big plunge and then motherhood happens.
70 films.
70 films, हाँ? हमने 20 कम करके बताया. Sorry, गलती हो गई. पर how easy or difficult was it to take that call?
To become a mother?
No. To put a break on the career and to take a plunge, move to a next level.
Okay, so...
It's phenomenal, different levels, I know that. But you also go through a lot, don't you? So take us through that.
Of course. I'm sure all the women sitting here will agree with me. It is very difficult to balance a newborn baby and get back to work. More than the physically draining part, I think it's just emotionally difficult. What I do, and I'm sure my baby will grow up understanding the importance of work and understanding how hard his mother worked.
Along with, yeah, you can applaud louder. Please applaud louder. There are a lot who agree. So, and I'm sure they will. But let me also ask you this. When you decided to come back, or when you said, okay, it's time to go back to work, did you look in the mirror and say, are they going to look at me differently? Are they going to accept me back into work? Am I going to find work? Did you have these insecurities, or you're like, listen, let's just pick up from where we let off?
As much as I'd like to say that, oh, I was this super confident, uber confident woman, to be very honest, of course, all of confinement, and of course there's this entire science behind it, but I don't want to get into that right now. But during that period, thankfully I was very well looked after by my parents and my husband and a very doting family and lots of support around me. But those nights when it's just you and your baby, you wake up at 3 in the morning, you wake up at 5 in the morning, you're feeding your baby, it's just you and him, obviously those thoughts creep into your mind. Obviously you wonder, okay, is life going to be the same again? Am I still going to get that film? And I was bang in the middle of shooting 3 films. I just about finished my movies. I had to back out of one film when we found out that we were pregnant. And that life changed for me. So during my pregnancy, of course, I did a lot of work in terms of shoot for endorsements, do a couple of other things. But so, and having said that, how much ever support you have around you, at that point of time, it doesn't really matter. Because it's your own self-worth which you're questioning, it's your own self-respect, and you need to talk to your own head. So I guess that's what worked for me. And I jumped straight back into work. 2 months postpartum, I was riding a horse, doing martial arts, doing action scenes on a harness. And I was in the thick of things, along with my little baby accompanying me to every shoot.
Wow, phenomenal. That's phenomenal. That takes great chutzpah, or let's say belief in your own self, if I may say that. But were there those who said, नहीं होगा यार, मत करो?
वो तो हमेशा होते हैं. वो बेबी के पहले, बेबी के बाद. There are pros and cons to it, but the cons are really hard hitting. Trolls people pulling you down. People called me fat when I was pregnant. I mean, obviously, I have a full-fledged baby within me, but that's how they are. So the best thing to do is just ignore it.
But you know, I like to call that the lotus, you know, effect. You have to become the lotus because the lotus does not allow anything to stick on.
Exactly.
But how, that's very easy to say, but it's not easy to practice. And
No.
especially somebody who has had huge, you know, fan following, and fans matter to a star, don't they? And when fans become critical, fans become insensitive, कहीं तो दुख होता होगा या कहीं गुस्सा आता होगा ना?
चुपता तो है, of course.
चुपता है.
चुपता है. लेकिन you that constant reminder that you need to give yourself that, okay, this is not for them, this is for me. And I want to live my life the way I want to live my life. So I guess that's about it.
आप लोग सबकी हिचकिचा के ताली क्यों बजा रहे हैं? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. या तो बजाइए या तो मत बजाइए.
How
Thank
sweet,
you.
thank you.
Thank you. अब एक प्रश्न पूछता हूँ. When you said, चलो वापस काम करते हैं, काजल, let's get back to work. ठीक है, momhood, everything, शादी, बच्चा, सब हो गया. Let's get back to work. Which direction did you look? Mumbai, Hyderabad, or Chennai?
So I'm a Bombay girl, born and raised. I started my career in the Hyderabad film industry, Telugu film industry. And these wonderful cities, met wonderful people, had amazing working experiences with some of the most regarded directors, producers, actors of our generation. And yeah, I always look to the south.
If I remember, you were there in that scene with Aishwarya, in that song, yeah? And then Kyun happened. So your first footprints were Hindi film industry, but you turned towards the south. Now you're saying when you came back, when you started to come back in your career, you turned towards the south. Is the south more accepting?
Okay, so when I did Kyun Ho Gaya Na, I was in the 10th standard. And the only reason I took up that film, at that point of time, I had no idea about what I want to do with my life, where my career is headed, whether I want to become a that's when I was working in my final year of college and I got my first offer for a South film. And I had no idea about the South industry. I hadn't watched South cinema till I got into it. And I decided, okay, fine, maybe one film, it'll look really good on my CV, let's do it. And after that, I'll just go get myself a fancy job. And it'll make me look so versatile that, oh, she knows this and she can do this. So that's the only reason why I thought I'll take it up. But then it was one movie after the other. But yes, coming back to your question, South is definitely very accepting. But I guess there's no discount or there's no shortcut to hard work. And there's no easy way to success.
See, appreciate the point that there is no... फिर आप hard work. But is there the difference between the industries where hard work is rewarded perhaps more south of the Vindhyas in the south? I'm not trying to stem a divide between north and south. I'm not doing that. I'm trying to say the approach. Is there a difference in the approach? Why there are more people who prefer to work in the southern film industry compared to the Hindi film industry? Or am I wrong totally?
No, I don't think so. I actually don't agree with that point of view at all. There are a lot of people who want to start their careers in Hindi because it's more nationwide recognized a language. Having said that, Yes, the South is a very friendly industry. It's very accepting. There are fabulous technicians in the South. There are wonderful. It's been very kind to me as well. But I prefer the ecosystem. I prefer the ethics, the values, the discipline of the South industry, which I feel is lacking in Hindi cinema.
Yes, lacking. Very candid and appreciate you being very frank about it. Yeah, अब तो language barrier भी खत्म हो गया. अब तो
ये तो मैं पहले दिन से कह रही थी कि language का तो divide है ही नहीं. Cinema is cinema, and we can appreciate it in Spanish. And I guess this is one thing that COVID has taught us, right? When we were all sitting at home watching stuff on OTT platforms, we could watch content in any language. So I have never felt the divide. And for me, yes, it was a little difficult to learn the languages and undoubtedly.
So अब तो वापसी हो गई. अब आप projects कर रहे हैं? कुछ काम है कि नहीं है?
Thankfully, hai yaar. God is very kind. I'm doing some very good movies. I am working with Shankar sir, working with Mr. Kamal Hassan on this project called Indian 2. Hindustani, yaar.
Yes,
So
Indian
this
2.
is Hindustani 2.
So that's why you're
sequel to
learning
it.
martial art.
That's why I was doing martial arts. And that's why I was riding a
Because
horse,
you'll have to learn Adi Murai and
which was very difficult. Oh my God. But when I was doing Kalari Paya too and all those things, but those were difficult, but also extremely challenging and a lot of fun. And yeah, so now I'm back in the thick of things, doing one Hindi film, one Telugu film, and one Tamil film.
3 films. All I'm trying to do it. One character that you want to play, irrespective of which industry, which language. One character you want to play.
Okay, so this sounds very cliche, but I have genuinely been very fortunate to get an array of characters and play like these amazing roles, from a princess to a freedom fighter to everything in between. But the one character that I love comedy, like that's my favorite genre. I love acting in it, and I think it's extremely difficult to make people laugh. It's easy to make people cry, but it's really hard to make people laugh. Your timing has to be so bang on. Having said that, I think I'm a bit of a greedy actor. I'm still not satisfied with just that one character that I want to play. I'd like to ma'am?
The lady behind. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The mic is coming.
One is tough. This is not fair, Anand. We'll ask
Sorry, we'll
a
do
few
one
more.
more.
We'll
We'll
ask
do
a
one
few
more.
more, guys.
We'll do one more.
A very good evening to one and all. My name is Arushi Chug. You know, when you said that you have this passion for cinema and you're a very cinema person, I could really see that fire in your eyes. So I want to understand from you, what do you do to ignite that passion? Because I'm someone, if I'm passionate about something...
Okay, so how do you get the passion? You have to keep your questions short because I'm running on
So I'll
short
keep
on time.
it crisp, just one.
Yeah,
I'll keep
please.
it crisp, just one line. So what do you do to ignite that passion to keep it going always?
Great, thanks, Arushi.
That's a phenomenal question. Thank you. Thanks for your question. And thank you for identifying how I feel. So, I did not. Is challenging myself. I think you need to always try to up your game and set the bar higher and higher and higher for yourself each time. And I
Great.
think passion is just a byproduct of trying to achieve your own goals.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kajal Agarwal, please put your hands together. It's your very good friend who's up next, so we have to do justice to him also. So
Okay,
please.
sorry guys, next time around. Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much
Please
for
put your
having
hands
me.
together for the wonderful Kajal Agarwal.
All right. I'd request Kajal and Anand to stay on stage for a moment. I'd request Anand to present Kajal with a memento as a token of our appreciation. Thank you very much, Kajal, for joining us here this evening at Rising India.